about the stock solutions is how complicated they made the symbology. If I were to print an 18 by 24 map of this area, these are the stock legends. I know you can tweak the legends and only show items shown in the map or convert to graphics, but if you look on Storm Drain, they have just dozens of different symbol types, continues to the next column just for outlets of pipes. And for sewer system manholes, they have like almost a dozen different manhole types, which our agency doesn't care about. What we do care about is if the manhole is public or private. And I still make a lot of PDFs and printed maps. So I'm going to change the symbology to fit our needs and not the stock complicated Esri solution. So this is how you do that. You log into ArcGIS Online, and then in your content panel, you find the folder that was created when you download the sewer solution. You go in there, and then you find your sewer system feature layer. And once you click on that, it pops up and shows that that feature layer contains all the different asset types for the sewer system. So instead of opening in Map Viewer and changing it there, you go to this Visualization tab. Takes a second to load. And so then once it all loads, you can zoom in if you want. And so once it populates, you click out of the Legend tab and you go to the Layers tab. We'll go to Manhole. Then we go Edit Layer Style. And right now it's telling you that it's layering by the asset type, which we don't care about. We want to layer by the ownership. So I'll get rid of that. We'll add a field. The field's going to be owned by. We add that layer. I'm sorry, that attribute expression. We go to Unique Symbol Style Options. So now it's changed it to our agency, private or other. We click on our agency. It's a basic point. Click the drop down, uploaded symbols. So if it's our agency, we'll choose a symbol I made in Adobe Illustrator. Hit done. We want that to be bigger, so let's make that 10. Then we'll go to private. Basic shapes. Uploaded symbols. Now we can go over and just grab the private symbol we configured, put it in there. Done. 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 Now you can go up here and save it. Now the thing to keep in mind is you'll have to remove and reinstall it into any project you have it open in to reflect that new symbology. And a lot of times the symbology has also been tweaked within these different maps. So we can look at the Sewer Viewer web map and see if it's reflected there. And it's not. So I've asked Esri about this. So I think what you'd have to do in the Sewer Viewer web map is remove the symbol layer and then reinstall it, and it should have those new manhole asset types. I'm not going to do that in this video. I'm going to keep working on it, and maybe I'll have it finished by the time the meeting starts.